I'm here with Mike Fry, president of Deepwater Subsea. Hi, Mike.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, thank you.
So, first, can you kind of tell me about yourself and about your company?
Yeah, so Deepwater Subsea, we specialize in operational excellence for the oil and gas industry, dealing with the blowout preventers. It's a piece of safety equipment that sits on the ocean floor underneath the drilling vessel. It's really the first line of defense if there was a well control event. Our goal is to provide BOP compliance inspections, real-time monitoring, and really just ensure operational excellence for the equipment for the drilling contractors and the oil companies.
Great. So I heard that you spoke at the ARC forum this year. Can you tell us a little bit about that story?
Yeah, so this year we spoke about operational excellence and really digitizing the workers and trying to implement technology to help the guys in the field to better, more efficiently perform their duties each and every day. The goal is to understand that as technology improves, the ability to work more efficiently, utilizing the data that's coming off from the control systems is something that's very important to allow the users to have access to. The focus is understanding that with technology, bringing in the documentation, bringing in the P&ID drawings, the schematics for the rigs, helping that be upfront for the users is very important.
Interesting. And can you tell us a little bit about the technologies that you're using?
So currently, we're using the OSI Soft PI system for our data historian. That's where all the control system data comes into. From there, we utilize Hexagon PPM, SDX software for documentation, smart P&IDs. And then we also use a technology called Seek for self-service data analytics.
And I hear you're working with Hexagon as well?
We do a lot of work with Hexagon.
And so what are the next steps in terms of your technology adoption and how you're utilizing them?
So for us, really the next step is after the implementation, the full integration of Hexagon with J5 and the digital documentation that we use is pushing it to the next level of going mobile. And the reason for that is because we can stream the real-time data to the mobile devices for our users, it's having that information out there in front of them.
So Mike, is there any tips you would give anyone out there looking to start their digital transformation journey?
For me, I'd say look at the gaps that you're exposed to, look at the difficulties and the challenges that your workers face. There's a lot of great technology out there. From what I've seen, there's not a one size fits all. And so as you're going out trying to find and fill these gaps, understand that it might take 3 or 4 different solutions to build the entire package, but don't be afraid to reach out to a SaaS provider. We tried to build it in-house first, and what we found out is the challenge was much greater than just reaching out to a solution that's already being provided.
Thanks again. I've been speaking with Mike Fry from Deepwater Subsea.